Welcome back. Let's try another problem. Example 2.70. You are being asked to solve 2 times absolute value x minus 7 plus 5 equals 9. So notice this 2 is multiplying the absolute value expression. So 2 is outside, not inside as in the previous cases. It's outside. So let's proceed. First, separate out the 5. So I'll subtract 5 from both sides. Plus 5 cancels minus 5. 2 times absolute value x minus 7 continues to be here. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now I can deal with this too. Notice 2 is multiplying the absolute value expression. So I'll divide both sides by 2. Two reduces the 2. I have absolute value x minus 7 equals 4 over 2, which is a positive number. Because it is positive, the expression inside is 2, or the expression inside is negative 2. Add 7 to both sides. The first equation gives me x equals 9. Now the second equation, add 7 to both sides. X equals negative 2 plus 7 is a 5. So you have two potential solutions to your equation. So let's check. I'm going to first check x equals 9 in this equation. Where I see the variable x, I place parentheses and fill in the parentheses. Question is the left hand side equal to right hand side? Notice 2 times absolute value. So 2 times stays because absolute value is a grouping symbol. So simplify inside first. 9 minus 7 is a 2. Question is it equal 9? 2 times absolute value 2 is 2 times 2 is 4 plus 5. Is it equal 9? Yes, it is equal 9. So x equals 9 is a solution. Let's check x equals 5 in the same equation. Substitute x equals 5. So place parentheses first and then fill it in with 5. You are checking, so you don't know whether they are equal. Now, multiplication is, of course, takes precedence over addition, but you have a grouping symbol, so that has to be evaluated first. All right. Inside the absolute value, this is positive 5 minus 7, so that's a negative 2. 2 times. What is absolute value of negative 2? It's 2. Question is it equals 9? 4 plus 5 is 9. So yes, so x equals 5 is a solution. So you have two solutions. Solution set is 9, 5. All right. Let's try similar problems. Two problems we have here. One is exercise 2.139. You're asked to solve 3 times absolute value x minus 4 is 8. Okay, so 3 multiplies the absolute value expression. Minus 4 is outside, so let's add 4 to both sides. Negative 4 cancels positive 4. 3 times absolute value x minus 4 equals 12. Divide both sides by 12. So 3 times absolute value x minus 4 over 3 equals 12 over 3. So divide both sides by the 3, that's multiplying my expression. 3 reduces the 3, you have absolute value x minus 4 equals 4. Notice this is a positive number. Absolute value is a positive number. It means the expression inside is 4 or the expression inside is negative 4. Add 4 to both sides. This tells me x equals 8. On the other hand, this particular equation, if I add 4 to both sides, what do we get? X equals negative 4 plus 4 is a 0. So now it's time to check. We have two proposed solutions. Let's check each one. X equals 8, we want to check in our original equation. So you want to check whether it is equal 8. What is equal to 8? When x is substituted by 8. So let's see. 3 absolute value. 8 minus 4 is a 4 inside minus 4. Is it equal 8? 3 times absolute value 4 is a 12 minus 4. It is indeed 8. Okay, so remember we were checking whether it is equal 8. So yes, x equals 8 is a solution. Correct? Likewise, you want to check now x equals 0. What do? We take our original equation, substitute 0. You want to check whether the left-hand side simplifies to 8. Well, 3 times absolute value 0 minus 4 is a negative 4. Three times absolute value negative 4 is positive 4. So you're checking whether 3 times positive 4 minus 4 is it equal 8 minus 4. Getting ahead of myself. So that's 12 minus 4. It is equal 8. So yeah, x equals 0 is a solution. So we have two solutions. So solution set is 8, 0. Let's try exercise 2.140. Okay, 2 times absolute value x minus 5 plus 3 equals 9. This is what we want to solve. Subtract the 3 first. So you have 2 times absolute value x minus 5 because plus 3 reduces, cancels minus 3. All of that is equal to 9 minus 3, that's a 6. You want to get rid of this 2. So divide both sides by 2. 2 absolute value x minus 5 over 2 equals 6 over 2. 2 reduces, you have absolute value x minus 5 equals 3. At this point, you have absolute value of an expression equals positive number. So the expression is 3 or the expression is negative 3. All right. So this gives you, add 5 to both sides. You get x equals 8 or x equals positive 2. So you want to now check. All right. Check x equals 8. And in the equation, 2 times absolute value x minus 5 plus 3 equals 9. So you're going to replace x by parenthesis 8. All right, 2 times absolute value. 8 minus 5 is 3. Question is it equal 9? 2 times 3, because absolute value 3 is 3. 6 plus 3. Is it equal 9? Yes. So x equals 8 is a solution. All right. Likewise, now we'll check x equals 2 in the same equation. Substitute x equals 2. Don't forget parentheses. And don't forget your question mark because we are checking. 2 times absolute value. 2 minus 5 is negative 3. Question equals 9. Absolute value of negative 3 is positive 3. So 2 times 3 plus 3. Is it equal 9? 6 plus 3 is indeed 9. Yes, x equals 2 is a solution. So we have 2 solutions. Our solution set is 8, 2. Okay, we'll continue in our next video.